want 2 of them. I want 2 of them. I need 2 of them. 1. Here he comes with an empty or a bigger buggy. He's just checking out to make sure which one's going to hold up. I know. It's got what all over it?
Some weird glue.
Oh, yeah, I know. And that was the first one he grabbed. On whiskey barrel. Yeah, no, these will be perfect. And we'll put and we'll put the stands on them so they can drain right, and we don't have to drill. Right. And like I said, they match the ones I already have, so it's just all whiskey barrel guarded. Now I just need to figure out how to make whiskey. You get a little dirty. Aww. Alright, head out for a checkout.
Yeah.